Will I ever grow on YouTube?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Again, I'm here. I've not yet reached 500 subscribers, guys. It's crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The last 30 days has been good in terms of the growth. I've got about 34 more subscriber, which is really less, but I'm happy that it's growing. I can see that green mark going up. I like that. So that's why I'm happy, but the growth is quite slow. I'll see. So let's dive into the video to show my progress for my monetization journey. It's quite a long way to go, but let's get started. So guys, in last 30 days, I've got about 2.6k views, which is a good number. I'm happy. The watch time is 34.9, almost 35 hours. And there are new subscribers. Hello, subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. So it is 34, which is a good number. So in my last video, you might have seen it was 417 subscribers. I done this video about August, and now I'm doing it again. So it is 437, still not reached 500. Why? Of course, I'm not getting time. Whenever I upload a new video, I tend to get a lot of views. So that's what. Just the motivation is needed. Right now, I'm sitting at, as you won't believe what's the time right now. It's 4 o'clock. I'm not getting time. My house is under renovation. I'm not getting time, not getting the place to film. Abhi mil raha hai, guys. I had to. Mehnat. Alright, so I'll just go down. So my top video was the recent video, how YouTube has changed my life with less than 500 subscribers, and it has the most views right now. It's 814 views. And if I go to the video and see the analytics, 5 days now. Um, Also the watch hour is 18.2, and I've got 5 subscribers through it. You can see it has got into YouTube recommendation. The 94% views are from YouTube recommendation, which is good. If YouTube recommends your video, that means it is tending to go viral or getting more views. So YouTube is pushing it, which is a good thing. Recommendation is super important. Also, the click-through rate, the VTR, the people clicking on the video to view the video is 4%, more than 4%, which is a good number. It should be more than 4%, then only it keeps on getting good views. So ये वाले video में 4% है, which is good. So मेरा thumbnail चल रहा है. So मैंने वो डाला, मैंने 3 thumbnail डाले हैं, जिसमें से I think second वाला और first वाला is working really well. I like the first one. It's like, so people are like just getting attracted, and I've just added up. It's worth it. I can put it somewhere here so that you guys see it. Also, this video was 14,000 लोगों ने देखा है, impression आया है, मतलब it can be repeated. And उसमें से 694 लोगों ने view किया है through my click, मतलब अच्छा number है. And about 14.96 watch time आया है from impression, which is a good number. So yeah, and content suggesting this video are इतने सारे, so which is good. So very similar videos and stuff. It's in the browse feature. Go to the engagement. Nothing that great, guys, but it's going slow. However, I am thinking also, I've started a giveaway on my Instagram, तो वहाँ से भी थोड़े बहुत subscribers आ रहे हैं. However, I think if I continue being consistent, I think I'll definitely grow on YouTube. I keep complaining I'm not getting time. Literally, guys, I'm not. But yeah, this is the reality. I'm trying my level best. I think what I've understood with YouTube, being on YouTube since few years and now being so thoda serious, I think what kind of content work is relatable content. If you're putting, some negative hooks, why I'm not growing, which is what is working for me on my YouTube. So negative hooks definitely work. Negative thumbnail, kuch rahega, which is not helping you. Like, kaise iske sath ho raha hai? Negative hooks can be relatable. Everybody is relating to it. So whoever is new on YouTube or been struggling on YouTube since few years, it will definitely relate to it. So I think वैसे type की content मेरे लिए बहुत काम आ रहा है. And how this changed my life and everything is definitely a trending video, which is a lot of creators are doing it, and some of them have blown. I mean, उनके videos में इतने likes, comments, subscribers increase हुए. I was trying that, but if I see my most good videos on YouTube have these negative hooks, and how I've got, how YouTube has helped me being a better person. Positive, negative, both are working. So I think I'll continue doing that. So yeah, so this is the journey for me right now. Please do subscribe to this channel. Also, I want whoever is watching this video, I know you also want to grow on YouTube. So let's start this journey and see how long does it take for my channel and your channel to get monetized. Comment down below if you are on this journey. Subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.